Gold accents.
Gold accents.
Damn, that pearl is hidden right there. Now that hole nice.
Oh,
Was it a 63?
yeah, that's Bruce.
Oh, all OG, huh? Damn.
Yeah.
Is that OG color? That maroon?
They got a pearl on it. You kind of see it here. A little. No, you can't really see
A
it.
little, huh? Nah, I don't see it as much as that other one. That
No,
bitch got
no,
a
that one's
hella
heavy
pearl.
pearl.
Was that a Caprice over there?
Yeah, 66.
Duh, the first ever. That's the granddaddy Caprice. That's the first Caprice, right?
Yep. 66.
Who's that? Oh.
Homie Ray, the mechanic. I got his frame over there.